dead battery delay. We're back to combine in here, corn, Gainesville. Couldn't tell, I have a little bit of a cold, so if I sound funny, that's why. I'm opening up this field, 160 acres. Probably get about maybe 20 done today, hopefully. It looks like there's another storm brewing according to the radar, so might get rained out again today. I guess we'll see. Well, you can't tell. Our neighbor right across, right there, Chris Hunt, our cousin also. He's our cousin for our neighbor. But he's combining just across the way, so yeah, by the looks of it, we'd have 2 combines going, but it's just one combine in each field, 2 different farms. Oh, good morning. Just sitting here behind this field, in the back of this field, should I say, waiting on Meatball to get back with the grain cart. He's on his first day on the job, so he's still figuring it all out. I'm giving him a hard time right now if I haven't figured that part out yet. He's on his way back over here, and we're gonna get to picking. Get back to picking, should I say. This has been some pretty good corn. Rain still threatening. It's on its way. I wish we could send it somewhere like the Midwest where they need rain. Well, we don't need it, but I guess we'll take it. Let's get back to rolling. Well, I just got the news that it's raining right down the road from us, right down the highway, Munster, Texas. We're going to continue to try to get this stuff out. My concern right now is, I know it's not anyone else's, but my concern right now is with the rain they're talking about coming is the creek getting out. There's stuff on the Elm Creek bottom that we're cutting. And if it gets out, it gets out. Probably get a little bit of the corn, but I don't see it happening, but it's always something in the back of our mind. Well, I don't know if you can see them, but they're starting to show up, getting some droplets on my window, so I guess we'll finish this round and go ahead and call it a day. We did 15.7 acres, that's pretty good. Not a bad day for just cutting in the morning. Starting a little bit late. Yeah, it's gonna be my last round. It's starting to come down pretty good now. There's a lightning flashing in the west. Dad's in the grain cart, I'm in the combine. Meatball's behind me in the other grain cart, so I guess we're gonna keep cutting as long as we can. To the end of this row. I might have to just pull out and drive, I don't know, but we got as bad as I can say, as many kernels cut as we could today. It's gonna start raining. I'll probably be pulling out as the rain comes down, so it's a good day for what we had. So for the second time in about 5 days, there's Meatball. The tractor and combine got a little bath. Looks like it's gonna rain another inch or 2 again. Just move it up beside. Yeah, just pull it next to it. And we're pulling the stuff out of the field. This guy right here. And then I guess that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching. I don't know if I have any more corn harvest videos or what, but I guess we'll see. Thanks for watching.